Hello everyone, welcome back to Setiawan Zeni TV channel. How to use the Stocks app on your iPhone to track your stocks. The Stocks app on your iPhone gives news, information, charts, and activity about the stocks that interest you. On the iPhone, Apple provides a stocks app to help you monitor and research investments that you hold or are contemplating. You can add specific firms to a watch list by name or symbol and receive financial and investment news pieces and information, as well as charts displaying the stock's behavior. This is how the Stocks app works. How to use the Stocks app to track stocks. The Stocks app comes standard with iOS, so you should already have it on your iPhone. If not, go to the App Store and download it. Tap Continue at the Welcome screen. By default, the app includes a watch list of the Dow Jones and S&P 500 indices, as well as a few individual stocks. But you will likely want to edit the watch list to remove and add specific investments. You can add stock indices, individual stocks, and mutual funds. Tap the ellipsis icon at the top and select Edit Watch List. Edit your watch list. Tap the minus sign next to any stock or index you don't want to follow, and then tap the trash can icon. Repeat that step for other items you wish to remove. Then, for any investments you want to include on your watch list, tap the Add button. Start typing the name or ticker symbol of the stock or fund you want to track in the search bar at the top. From the search results, tap the plus sign to select the proper one. Continue this approach to include further investments. When you're done, tap Done. You can rearrange the order of your stocks on the My Symbols tab. Drag and drop a specific one up or down the list by dragging and dropping its three-line hamburger icon. When you're done, tap Done. Make a new watch list. You can also start a new watch list. For example, you might want to have a watch list of stocks that you don't own but want to keep track of. All of the stocks you've added to all of your lists will be included in the default watch list for My Symbols. Any extra lists, however, can be used as subgroups for certain stocks. Return to the screen to make changes to your watch list. Select New Watch List from the My Symbols menu. Give this new list a name and then press the Save button. Add the stocks that you want to monitor. When you're finished, tap Done. Tap My Symbols entry to add another watch list or to navigate back and forth between them. View your stocks. The stocks you follow appear on the main screen depending on which list you are browsing. To see all of the stocks, swipe down the screen. Each stock displays its current trade price. To convert the numbers for all stocks to currency, tap the percentage number. Tap it again to adjust the numbers to the current market capitalization of each firm. Read news stories. To see general stories on the stock market, the economy, and business. Swipe down to see stories about the stocks on your watch list. To read a specific story, tap it. See more details on a specific stock. Swipe up on the screen to return to the view of your stocks. Tap a specific stock to learn more about it. The chart depicts the stock's one-day performance. To view the stock's historical performance, select one of the other categories such as 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. To view additional data, click the More Data from Yahoo Finance link. Other figures underneath the chart include the opening price, the day's high and low, the volume, the 52-week high and low, the yield, and the company's earnings per share. Swipe down the screen to see the stock's new stories. View current stock prices. Press down on a date to show the stock price for that date. The stock price can then be tracked by moving your finger to the right or left. To compare pricing for two different dates, press down with 2 fingers on the 2 dates. Share a stock or put it on your wish list. To access a menu, tap the ellipsis icon. You can share the ticker symbol, copy a link to the stock's chart, or add the stock to a specific watch list from this page. When you're finished, press the X to return to the watch list. Add a stocks widget. Finally, you may install a stocks widget to your phone to quickly view essential data. Swipe to the right till you get to the widget screen. Tap the Edit button, followed by the plus icon. Swipe down and choose the stocks widget. Swipe through the many widget screens until you pick the one you like most. Tap the Add Widget button. The widget you selected is displayed on the screen. To exit edit mode, tap outside the widget. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next videos.